Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad, and today we will see different setups on Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Australian dollar, dollar yen, Bitcoin, and gold. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk. It's not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand the risks involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules, always the same. Please pause the screen and watch the trading rules if you're not sure how we trade these setups. Now, let's start with the euro dollar. Again, I see a positional buy trade around 1.1060 to 80 with stop loss of 1.1020 and TP of 1.1200. Obviously, euro dollar is in sort of consolidation, and there is a potential for an uptrend move straight from the zone here. So 1060 zone is probably a zone where we could buy a euro dollar. Also, important thing is that all my trades have been followed by my FX book expert advisor. So you can actually watch my FX book account, of course, on myfxbook.com. It's almost a year, and the return on investment from my Camerla MACD is huge. Check it on myfxbook.com. Now, let's move on to another pair. Okay, so first is euro dollar. Next one is GBP dollar. Again, guys, this is the setup from the previous week. I will put it here. So I see longs, and I'm already long, and the entry is approximately 128.40 to 50. Stop loss is 1.272800, always at a spread, and target price is 1.2930. I have a long on the GBP dollar, and I'm already long. I scale out of my long, and I already scale out, so I have just one more position running. So basically, the GBP dollar is rejecting, and there is a potential for an up price movement. The original trade, I think, was done on 15 minutes, but nevertheless, as long as 28 holds, the GBP is in uptrend. Now, next one is the Australian dollar, and the Australian dollar is also having a move to the upside. So basically, 68.10, 68.00 to 10 is the spot to buy. And of course, 67.70 is stop loss. So the Australian dollar, 68.00 to 10 is a buy trade, 67.70 is a stop loss, and the TP stays the same, 69.30. There is a possibility, if you want to hold for a trade, that new highs will be printed out once the price gets there. But see this, guys, it's important. The ATR is only 33 pips, so you need to be ready for a slow price movement. Very, very slow price movement. The comment from David, hey T, looking good. Thanks, David. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I'm trying to, of course. Okay. So we have the Australian dollar. Although I say it's at resistance, so it should have a little bit of pullback before it goes up, but it can also go up now. Also, I think euro dollar should go up. So, guys, be prepared for some bigger price movement probably during the next days, because there will be a lot of fundamental events. You can read our blog. I finished today a new article for previous trading results, so you will also see in the article what we can expect from this week. Okay, next one, next trade, dollar yen. Guys, I'm already in this dollar yen trade, and I leave it the same. I scaled out. I'm still running one position on the dollar yen, and as I already explained, I see only longs. Basically, I enter here on my Camerla MACD, and the price is now going up. You see signals from my template. So basically, I see that there is a possibility for 109.30. Even here, if the price gets to 109.20, I might close my trade completely, and this is the final touch of this swing. So basically, I already scaled out, but the dollar yen is still bullish, And this is the setup that I would also go long if the price drops. Okay, so the same one applies. Same for gold. 1466 is entry, stop 1460, TP 1510, sell 1510, stop loss 1515, TP 1475, because gold is also, I will find it, just give me a few seconds. Gold, okay, where is it? I put it there. Okay, XAU USD. I was watching it today and I was actively trying to find 15-minute setup, but unfortunately there was no 15-minute setup. Okay, I will find it. Just give me a minute or two. Trying to check. Is it there actually? Go with symbols, metals. No, I'm not sure why it disappeared. Now it's there. So XAU USD. Again, potential for uptrend close to 1460, 70 zone. This is neutral movement. You see my template is white. But then again, I see that if it drops there, it's weekly L5. This is a think sure our safe bet, or this is weekly L5, the lowest weekly support. So if the price drops there, I guess there are a lot of buyers. I think that initially the price will go up. So we are waiting for it to see if it will drop, then to buy. Then of course 1510 is a sell. 1510 is somewhere here in the zone, close to weekly H3, but actually it's top of the Bollinger Band daily time frame. So daily Bollinger Band. Okay, now next one is the Bitcoin dollar. For all of you who want to trade, I told you to sell Bitcoin dollar, and I'm not trading it, guys. I'm just analyzing it. But if you sold the Bitcoin dollar, then you would have made some nice pips last week because it dropped a lot. Now, where is the next potential short? I see next potential short, of course, at the top here, 10,300. So again, selling it at 10,300 to 10,400 stop loss. Again, TP 7734, because I expect this Bitcoin to be sold towards the weekly L3 if it drops. A huge volatility is there. Quick questions. If you have any questions regarding any other pairs, guys, feel free to ask. GBP New Zealand. So GBP New Zealand is actually in of course, this is Dragon pattern. You can see it here, guys. Back in Forex Factory, we call this pattern Dragon. You can see it here. This is the head of the dragon. This is the neck, and this is the body. And this is a big uptrend. So I guess if the Brexit is positive, this should be good to buy. I'm watching because it has 142 pips. I would go to 15-minute and watch for a big drop. This was the last buy opportunity. You see green dots. These are all buying opportunities. So I would watch for the price to drop, and then probably somewhere maybe around 2006, somewhere here, there should be a buy opportunity. But definitely the GBP New Zealand is, in my opinion, buy the dip. It's similar to the GBP dollar, buying the dip. And I'm buying the dip on those GBP crosses, and I hope that they will provide us with a good trading opportunities. Okay, so that would be it, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. These are quick setups, quick trading ideas made by Camarilla MACD. For more information, guys, of course, just purchase the complete Camarilla MACD course. And of course, you will get subscription to our paid channel, ecs.live, where both Chris and I manage trades for you, giving you entries, stop losses, targets with our systems that we trade. So could you do a small recap on Euro Australian dollar? Of course, Euro Australian dollar, I took a trade, I think on Friday, and I'm still running a long position. Basically, the price is still potentially bullish. Now it's neutral, if we take a look at this price movement, we see that the price is neutral. You see up, down, up, down, up, down. There is no clear trend. But then again, I expect that euro should push up, maybe get a little bit stronger during the Asian session. And as long as this level 62 holds, there is a potential for bullish move. There is a lot of support there. So I'm holding my long trade from the last week. This is ECS.live trade, and hope that we will see a price, of course, going in original trend direction. But nevertheless, it's not a pair that is very fast. It's a bit slow, but there is a potential for, of course, an up move. All other trades, I secure profits. Dollar yen, secure profits. GBP dollar, secure profits. Now, the only thing that I have left over from last week is Euro Australian dollar, but it's okay. I'm pretty positive. And guys, if you want to see how your account grows and how you can grow your account, as David is saying, join ECS to trade with the best. Indeed, myfxbook.com, everything can be checked out, and everything is clear. Thank you guys for listening. I will be here with you soon. Okay, cheers and trade safe.